How to remove superglue from clothes. It happens in a flash. You're fixing something, concentrating hard, and then, drip. That tiny, clear drop of superglue lands right on your favorite jeans, your go-to shirt, that fabric you love. Your heart sinks. You touch it, it's already hardening, becoming that crusty, whitish patch. The panic sets in. Is it ruined? This stuff is permanent, right? You might even think about just tossing the garment out. Stop. Before you give up hope, you need to know this: removing superglue from clothes is possible. It might seem like an impossible task, but with the right technique and a little patience, you can often save your fabric. In this video, we're cutting straight to the chase. We're going to show you exactly how to tackle that stubborn superglue stain, step by step, using methods that actually work. Forget the panic, let's get that glue unstuck and save your clothes. Welcome to Best Choices. How do you get superglue out of clothes? 1. Wait for the glue to dry completely, freeze the garment to speed up drying. 2. Scrape off as much glue as you can with the edge of a spoon. 3. Dab acetone onto the stain with a cotton ball to dissolve the glue. 4. Apply a laundry stain remover onto the stain. 5. Run your garment through the washer and let it air dry. How to remove superglue from clothes. Number 1. Let the superglue dry. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for the superglue to harden and dry. If you try to tackle the glue while it's still wet, you may spread it onto more of the fabric or push it deeper into the fibers of the garment. Just patiently wait for the glue to dry. When it's dry, it's no longer soft to the touch and doesn't feel tacky. Only try to remove dried glue. It seems counterintuitive to let it sit without trying to clean it up, but trying to remove wet glue can make a worse mess. Optional tip: soak the glue in ice water or stick your garment in a plastic bag in the freezer for a few minutes. This helps the glue dry and harden faster, making it easier to peel off. Warning: avoid speeding up the drying process with heat, such as blasting the glue with a hair dryer. Heat may permanently set the stain. Number 2. Scrape off as much glue as possible. Use a utensil with a dull edge to remove large chunks of glue. Place the garment on a hard surface, then gently scrape the glue off with the edge of a spoon, a spatula, a butter knife, your fingernail, or a credit card. You may not be able to get 100% of the superglue off, but you should be able to remove most of the larger chunks. For hardy fabrics like denim or canvas, as well as shoes and bags, scraping the glue off may be sufficient to remove the stain completely. Warning: do not scrape loosely woven fabric, such as a knit or muslin, as you risk tearing it. Instead, skip ahead to dabbing the glue with acetone. Number 3. Spot test a bit of acetone on your garment. Apply acetone to a hidden spot to ensure it doesn't harm your garment. 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆 says acetone is effective at dissolving superglue, but it may be harsh on the materials, so test a small area first. Simply dab a cotton ball soaked with 100% acetone against an inconspicuous spot on the garment, like a hem or seam, and check for discoloration. Acetone is generally safe to use on fabrics like cotton, denim, canvas, and polyester. Warning: do not use acetone on acetate, modacrylic, triacetate, or fine natural fibers like silk. It can damage or discolor the fabric. If you notice any discoloration or disintegration, rinse the area with water and take the garment to a dry cleaner to get the glue removed. 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆 recommends wearing gloves while using acetone and working in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling excess fumes. According to 𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆, you can use nail polish remover with acetone as an alternative. Just make sure it is clear. Tinted removers may discolor your clothes. Number 4. Dab the glue with acetone. Repeatedly press a cotton ball soaked in acetone against the glue. Soak a fresh cotton ball with acetone and dab it into the superglue. Then, hold the cotton ball against the stain for several minutes. Check on the glue and repeat the dabbing and soaking process until the superglue is dissolved. The acetone dissolves the bonds of the glue, softening it and making it easier to remove. Avoid getting acetone on the other parts of the garment to help minimize potential damage. If the stain is very large, begin pressing at the outside edges and work your way in toward the center. It may take anywhere from 3 to 15 minutes to soften and remove the superglue. Acetone is effective on most types of superglue, including brands like Gorilla Glue, Loctite, and Crazy Glue. Number 5. Use rubbing alcohol as an alternative. Rubbing alcohol can be less harsh on delicate fabrics than acetone. While acetone is the best solvent for removing superglue, rubbing alcohol is a great alternative for sensitive fabrics like wool or silk. Simply soak a cotton ball with rubbing alcohol and dab it onto the stain. Just keep blotting the superglue until the spot is gone. Rubbing alcohol is less effective at dissolving superglue than acetone, so it may take longer to break down the glue. White vinegar may also work as an alternative to acetone. Like rubbing alcohol, it can take longer to work. WD-40 is also effective at removing superglue, especially oil-based adhesives, but may leave a stain of its own on the fabric if it spreads too far or sits too long on the garment. Use WD-40 the same way you'd use acetone. Note, spot test these acetone alternatives on an inconspicuous part of your garment to see if they cause damage or discoloration. Number 6. Scrape off the softened glue. Use a spoon or your fingernail to remove the loosened glue. Once again, take your fingernail or the edge of a spoon, card, or butter knife and gently scrape off the glue. Just work slowly to avoid damaging the fabric. Scraping the softened glue may spread it slightly, but since the acetone has saturated it and broken the adhesive bonds, it likely won't stick to any new areas of fabric. Do not use your fingernail if you are wearing nail polish. The area is soaked in acetone, which can dissolve the polish and stain the garment. If there is still superglue on your garment after scraping it, dab at the stain with more acetone or rubbing alcohol. Just keep blotting and scraping the stain until the glue is gone. Number 7. Treat the stain with stain remover. Lift up any remaining glue stains with a laundry stain remover. Once most of the stain is gone, apply a stain remover to the garment according to the product's instructions. Just massage the product deep into the stain, then rinse it with cold water. Or, rub the stain with a bit of regular laundry detergent if you're in a pinch. Number 8. Wash your garments. Run your garment through a regular cycle to remove any final residue. Set your washing machine to the proper cycle and temperature that's listed on your garment's care tag. Most garments can be washed in warm or cool water. If your garment no longer has the care tag, use cool water and a gentle cycle to be safe. If you do not have time to do the laundry, hand wash the affected area with cool water and soap. Rinse the area, then pat it dry with a towel. Inspect the stain once you finish washing the garment. If the stain is very light, run it through the washer a second time. That may be all that is needed to get rid of it for good. If the stain is still visible after a second wash, repeat the acetone treatment again to dissolve more of the glue. Warning: do not put your garment into the dryer if the stain is still there. The heat can permanently set the stain into the fabric. If you don't have time to wash the item again, hang it to air dry and run it through the machine again later. Number 9. Air dry your garment. Hang your clothes to air dry once the stain is completely gone. Using heat can set any leftover glue stains, so for the safest option, place your garment on a clothesline or drying rack to dry completely. Then, check for any remaining residue once it's dry. If the stain remains, try applying more acetone and washing the garment again. If it still won't budge, take the item to a dry cleaner. If you're 100% certain the glue is completely gone, it's safe to use the dryer. Just dry it on a low heat or air dry cycle. Number 10. Take delicate items to a dry cleaner. If the care label says dry clean only, take it to a professional. Delicate fabrics, like shears, lace, or silk, and items that are dry clean only can potentially be damaged by scraping the glue and dabbing at it with acetone. Professional dry cleaners own specialty products that can safely remove the glue from your fabric. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. If all else fails, try using a commercial super glue remover that's safe for clothes and fabrics, like Loctite glue remover. Always check the packaging to make sure it's safe for clothes, and wear gloves and a mask to avoid irritation from skin contact or inhalation. 2. To prevent super glue from getting on your clothes, wear an apron or clothes you don't mind getting stained. It's always a good idea to wear gloves and work on a surface that's easy to clean, whether you put down some paper towels or apply the glue on a metal or glass surface. Warnings. 1. Do not scrape or pluck loosely woven fabrics, like knits or muslins, or delicate fabrics, like shears, lace, or silk, since this can stretch, rip, or weaken the fabric. Instead, dissolve the superglue with acetone, if the fabric is colorfast, or take it to a dry cleaner. 2. Do not use acetone on delicate fabrics or synthetic blends containing acetate, mod acrylic, or triacetate since the acetone may disintegrate the fabric. Take garments made from these materials to a dry cleaner instead. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.